What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video we're going to be installing some AuxBeam LED lights on my front bumper. At least I think that's where I'm going to put them, and maybe I'll order another set. Not too sure, kind of playing with the ideas of where I want to put them. Trying to decide between putting them on the bumper or making little L brackets and mounting them up on the cowl area. Don't really know yet, so we're going to see about that. But this is what the front of the Jeep looks like right now. Imagine a Badlands winch right there that's coming on Tuesday, so that'll be a future video. But I think I'm gonna line them up with this one and this one right there. So I've got the lights right here. Kind of show you kind of what I'm thinking. If I could get them to sit up here. This is kind of what I'm thinking, to have them kind of right here and maybe point out just a little bit. It's kind of the idea, and then I can tuck the wire down in here under the lip of the bumper and run them in wherever I need them to go. I think that's what I'm going to do. When the winch is here, I need to figure out what I'm doing about putting the plate over here maybe, or figuring out where to put the plate. But I think that's what we're gonna do. I was also thinking about either doing it right here where the hood opens, like right here under the cowl, find a spot, or over here. I know a lot of people can put them like right here. I don't know if I really want to do that. I think they'd look kind of better on the bumper. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of keep checking it out, seeing where I want to put it, and maybe we'll drill some holes, mount the lights, see if we can run. I have a pre-done like wiring harness, see if we can run that and get it all done. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, got that and that one. I think that's where I'm gonna put them. So I think I like them being a little bit closer, maybe. Maybe I'll put them out on the outsides. I don't know, I think in the middle will look a little bit better. But that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna get a center punch out, punch those, got the drill bit, and we'll start drilling. All right, there's one roughly just mounted up, and then I can just tuck the wires in here and run it back through there and up to the battery. And we gotta run the wiring harness from the battery into the Jeep and find a spot for the switch. But I think I like that spot, so we're gonna go ahead and drill this one out as well and go from there. So I'll try and set the camera up so that way you guys can see me. I don't know where my tripod's at, so gotta bear with me. Alright, so we got them all mounted up. Let's go ahead and get the hood open and ravel out the wiring harness. See what we gotta do. I need to find Allen sockets or whatever to tighten them up, but I think I like that, so should be pretty nice. All right, so here's the wiring harness. The switch is over there. These two go down to the lights with little spade connectors, relay, and then obviously power and ground. So we're gonna go ahead and start fishing all this together and figure out how to get this through the firewall, because my electric fan runs through the firewall right here, through that grommet. But I think that is kind of drops down behind the like radio and stuff. So I'm kind of thinking about maybe going through this grommet right here and poking through because that should come out above the pedals. And then I think we'll just kind of tuck the wire in, maybe come up here and put the lights right here. I think because that grommet is right there, so shouldn't be too horrible to get to, but we'll see what I come up with, and I'll bring you guys along. Alrighty, so we got our switch pushed through, got a hole cut up there. Hopefully I didn't make the hole too big to fit that plug through, because I don't want to feel a bunch of air coming in here, but that's what we got. So that means it's in here now. Right here. So that means we'll start running everything else. We'll run it along over there, drop it through. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright, so my little helper woke up from her nap. She's out here. And I'll show you guys what we're doing on the Jeep. She's playing now. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the relay again kind of somewhere up here, because I gotta have it close to be able to get to the battery, because the wiring for it isn't very long to begin with. But just fish this down. This is where the vacuum hose goes for the vacuum ball. So I just kind of follow that same path, and it pops out down here, and then I don't know if maybe I just come through right here and go that way with the lights, but figuring all that out and playing with my daughter a little bit. You're coming to rescue?
I'm coming to rescue the Jeep.
All right. Oh, there's Bella. Bella. Hi, baby.
Bella's coming to rescue her too.
Yeah, she's coming to play with you.
Yeah, and coming to race it with me.
Yeah.
She's coming to race with me.
She's coming to race with you. All right, look at you go. So yeah. But that's what we got going on today. And yeah. So I was thinking about maybe stacking up the tires and something and trying to drive on it, see what my daughter thinks about it. And just so that way I could get a cool little flexi shot in the driveway. And yeah, so we'll see what we can get done today and go from there. Alright, so I got them wired up. This is temporary, using these until I go to work and get some wire cutters and stuff, because it's kind of hard using the needle nose. But this is just temporary. I want to make some actual connectors for these, so I have to do that. But got all this ran. It's plugged in, fuse. I'm going to get a self-tapper when I go to work. Put it right there. Gonna zip tie all this up out of the way. Bag's trying to run away. Hi. But she's in the backyard. But there's that. And then we got the switch in here. It says off, and then we turn them on. They're on. So tonight we'll have to come out and turn them on so you guys can see. But I mean, during the day they're pretty bright. They kind of light up the inside of the shed pretty good already. So pretty exciting. So I'll go ahead and get all this ran, kind of zip tied up, make it a little bit nicer, and then I'll show you guys the final product. So it's dark outside, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around and show you the lights. Pretty good. Alright, so that's just my marker lights, and that's my headlights. This is the pods. That's a lot of light. So let's go look at what the pods look like. Can't really tell, but they're pretty bright. I think it looks pretty good. I should definitely point them like outward a little bit, just so that way they kind of go over there a little bit more. Because if I turn on the headlights as well, you know, I feel like they kind of could, you know, point, stuff like that. But I mean, that's a lot of light right here, which is really awesome. Now we just need some rock lights, be able to light up under the Jeep, and then night wheeling will be really fun. It's kind of what the front of the Jeep looks like right now. Not too bad. But that's all I have for you guys in this video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the little bit of install. I'm gonna make some little connectors so that way I can clean up the wiring right here in the bumper. Because the wires are a little too short and I just kind of used what I had around. But yeah, otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. So if you guys are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next one.